to Instructional Videos. Today we are going to install the tent awning onto a standard 10-foot tent. Before you begin, you want to make sure that you have your standard 10-foot tent completely set up and have the tent at its lowest level. So first thing we're going to do is install the clamps and corner pieces onto the tent frame. So we're just going to take one of the black clamps and remove the screw. Once you have the screw removed, we're going to attach one of the corner pieces to our frame. So to attach this corner piece, you're just going to slide on the black clamp, and you can slide it on just below the tent canopy, and we'll readjust the clamp once we have our whole awning set up. And then we're going to slide on this corner piece, and you want to make sure that the push button of this corner piece is facing down and that the corner is facing in towards your tent. And then you're just going to slide it into the clamp, aligning the holes, and then using the screw, you're going to secure into place. And we'll repeat the same exact steps for the other side. Now that I have my corner secured into place, we're ready to connect the front horizontal bar. So to connect the front horizontal bar, we're first going to connect the bar all the way across and then install our graphic. So to connect the bar, we're simply going to slide in one of the poles, and we're going to use the push button on the pole to secure to the corner. So I'm going to insert into the corner, and then using the push button, secure into place. And then I'm just going to continue to work down, connecting all my poles to the other corner. And as you're connecting the poles, you want to make sure not to let go of this horizontal bar. So I'm just going to keep working down. Now that I have this horizontal bar in place, I'm ready to attach the graphic. So I'm just going to open my graphic. And on the graphic, there is a pull pocket. So we're going to insert the pull pocket on this bar. So I'm just going to remove the bar from this corner piece, and I'm going to hold on to it. I'm going to slide on the pull pocket onto the bar. Once you have the graphic fully slid on, you're just going to reattach it to the bar to the corner. And then I'm just going to space out my graphic to make sure it's centered on the bar. And once you have your graphic centered, you're just going to use the hook and loop strips and secure it around the tent frame. So underneath, you're going to pull your tent awning underneath the tent frame and secure the hook and loop around the tent frame. So you're going to do this for all the hook and loop strips. Once you have all the hook and loop strips attached, you can loosen the clamp and push lightly down on the tent awning hardware to make sure that it is completely taut. So I will push down just to make sure my awning is completely taut. And I'll repeat for the other side. Once you have your tent awning at its desired location, you can raise up your tent to its desired height. It's just that easy to install your tent awning.